Emergency response teams have to communicate with many departments such as fire stations and police within the shortest possible time possible. During an emergency, important communication mediums such as telephones and mobile services can go down. Even internet connectivity using cable or telephone may not function. Satellite internet connectivity is one of the best ways to communicate during an emergency. Loved ones desperately try to connect with family members and friends to know their whereabouts. As the leading satellite internet service provider in America, HughesNet takes the onus of keeping their services live and running during an emergency. They take all measures to ensure that emergency response teams can quickly connect with other essential services to bring quick relief to people in need. As the name suggests, satellite internet connectivity uses satellite and a dish on the ground to transmit signals which establish the connection with the World Wide Web. In many recent emergencies such as the San Diego fires, emergency teams have been using the services of HughesNet with success. In many of the areas where wildfires have broken out during recent times, residents did not have broadband connection because the areas are in the interior parts. HughesNet provides satellite internet connections to the boonies. Affected people were able to connect with their loved ones using emails and VoIP phones. In this way, satellite internet brings a great deal of relief to people affected by these fires, as well as any other emergencies. Emergency vehicles can use the satellite dish for communication purposes. There have been many incidents in the United States where satellite internet connectivity has brought great relief during emergencies. During the aftermath of Hurricane Katrina, many emergency response vehicles were fitted with transportable broadband satellites. The best part of satellite internet access is an antenna, and a clear view of the southern sky is all that is required to get the connection up and running. Irrespective of the geography of the emergency, HughesNet can offer high-speed internet access during an emergency. HughesNet offers continuity of operations solutions COOP, that is, designed to stay operational even when other terrestrial systems fail. These systems are operational 24/7 and help a great deal during the time of emergency. The Florida Emergency Management Agency FEMA is an example of one government agency that uses HughesNet solutions. Emergency response teams are well equipped with communication equipment. The COOP solutions of the company have many different types of equipment, which are designed specifically for use in emergency situations. Some of the emergency packages are Hughes Internet Access 400 and Hughes Internet Access 300, which come at packages between US50 and US00. If emergency response companies do not have the need of entire packages, they can avail equipment and services such as the network gateway device or implementation services. No other satellite internet service provider in America has the reach and capability to offer emergency service solutions such as HughesNet. The company solves many hurdles that are faced by emergency workers during an emergency, be it a wildfire or a terrible hurricane like Katrina.